Hello, let's go over your plan for today. Today is your day 7, and for your warm-up, you're going to write your own name Hispanic style in the space that I'm providing below. So you remember last class you were working on a graphic organizer, and with that graphic organizer, you had to write your own name, the real name, Hispanic style in the first row, and then the second row, you created a new Hispanic name that is fully Hispanic. But in this warm-up, you're just going to write the name, your own name, but Hispanic style. That means that you're going to write your first name, your middle name, your dad's last name, that is the one that you regularly use, and then your mom's name before she got married. So, sorry, your mom's last name before she got married, before she took after your dad's last name. Okay, so that's all the answer. You just put it there. Let me show you where. I pause for a second, so I went to the student view so I can see what you see. And here is submit assignment. So you click submit assignment, and then you're gonna type your answer right here. And then you click submit assignment, and then you're done. It gives you all the, wow, you did it good. Okay, it didn't. All right. So anyway, what else? Today you are going to read just this note and say goodbye. And then you're gonna watch this video. Oh, excuse me. This is not a video. This link is for your example. So you write these notes on a piece of paper, and then you write these examples on a piece of paper, and then you put it in your notebook. And then you are going to watch this video, and you end just practicing this Quizlet with greetings and goodbyes. You don't have to submit anything else today. You're just learning some expressions to say goodbye. And we were just reviewing those. That's all that you had to do for today. All right, if you have questions, just let me know. I'll be right here. Talk to you later. Adios.